Gadam Rajeshwari, Telangana. Prachi Devkar, IOCL. Khushbu Gupta, Uttar Pradesh. The two Uttarakhand girls, Anjali and Ankita. Sushmita Tiga, Odisha. Nikita was there at the last edition, IOCL. Sonam of Delhi and Anju of Haryana. So going into the early lead is Ankita of Uttarakhand, but it's still a long way to go, Sangeeta.
7 laps to go. "28 hurdles jump and 7 water jump they have to cover in 3000 meters steeplechase for women final.
Yes, the circuit normally has 4 ordinary barriers and 1 water jump. Sangeeta just mentioned 88 hurdles and 7 water jumps. The entails, of course, the 7 complete laps after starting with a fraction of a lap run without barriers. That's the barrier that we have been explaining to you. The water jump is located on the back turn, either inside the inner lane or outside the outer lane. And if it's on the outside, then each of the 7 laps is longer than the standard 400 meters, and the starting point is on the home straight. The laws of this event allows the athlete to jump on and off the water jump, which you'll soon see at the far side. This is where the athlete will now approach and get on and off the water jump barrier to use the same technique in clearing the steeplechase hurdles. That's the steeplechase hurdle that we're talking about. The athlete, as you also watched now, a few seconds ago, is also permitted to vault over the barriers, although this method is seldom used because it is extremely insufficient. That's the water jump now being approached. And the other important factor in the 3000 meter steeplechase is that the hurdles and the water jump barriers are solid, heavy. They are designed to support the weight of the several athletes at the same time. Sangeeta, we've seen in international meets where 6-7 of the athletes approach the hurdles or approach the water jump at the same time. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? Well, I wouldn't like my new shoes to get spoiled with the water. Over the hurdles, not the full vault. So the lead continues here for Ankita from Uttarakhand. The girls in Uttarakhand are quite used to traveling from one village to the other for their household chores. There are athletes, super athletes who jump over the water barrier, in fact. They don't even land into the water pit. But for that you got to be a GOAT, the greatest athlete that we talk about. It's still the same lead. Sangeeta, Ankita seems to be in her own zone. Nikita, the number 2 of the last edition, where is she? She's bib number 255, so we'll watch out for her as well. There she goes, Ankita once again. A bit of a hassle there for her to clear that water jump, losing those precious seconds. I'm sure she's looking at 327.41 for sure. The hurdles and the water jump barrier, which you're now watching, used in the steeplechase, I did mention, are solid. The barriers are designed not to fall. Remember, not to fall is the word. Unlike the hurdles in the 110 meters and the 100 meters for the men and the women, respectively. The barriers are, as I said, not designed to fall or to be knocked over in the manner that occurs in the 100 and the 110 hurdles and the 400 meters hurdles. In second position is Anju of Haryana, and Prachi of Uttar Pradesh is in 3. Nikita, the number 2 of last year, is in number 4. So she's got some catching to do here in the 3000 meter steeplechase. There comes Ankita once again. We are into the 7th minute of this event. Should be looking at another 3 minutes plus. 9:27.41. The national record 9:12.46 for Parul Chaudhary. She should be there at the Commonwealth Games for sure. The clearance of the water jump, where Ankita will now go in a short while, requires a technique similar to that used in jumping on and off the steeplechase hurdles. And the two types of obstacles differ in that the water jump not only has a barrier but also a 3.66 meters, 12 feet water pit, which we showed you earlier on. Two laps to go from here. There's a saying, remember, was it George Orwell? Water, water everywhere, not a single drop to drink. Far, far unique this event, the 3000 meter steeplechase. We all know that the athlete who concentrates on the steeplechase needs to be an excellent distance and the cross-country runner and a good hurdler, and must be strong enough to perform efficiently over the water jump. We're now into the final lap, last 400 meters. Ankita still there. Sangeeta?
Ankita is still there. She's looking happy for 3000 meters steeplechase for women final. And the qualification mark for Commonwealth Games is 9 minutes 27.41 seconds for this event, 3000 meters steeplechase for women.
Ankita Dhyani, the second best performance in the year. In fact, she's got the best performance. 9:27.91. Ankita Dhyani at Branchley, Azusa, United States, 16th of April 2026. Prachi Devkar, who's also here, 10:08.03 at Chennai in May 26, 11 days ago. And Anju is also here, 10:27.70.
Ankita took the lead in 3000 meters steeplechase for women final, followed by Prachi and Anju. And we have to wait for the official timings for 3000 meters steeplechase for women.
ਉੱਥੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਰਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰਾਣੀ ਹੈ